Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Fingerlings is probably one of the most enchanting and interactive toys that have captured the hearts of children everywhere, offering a unique blend of technology and adorable companionship that brings a touch of magic right into their hands, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because, ensuring endless hours of imaginative play and delightful surprises for every child who welcomes these little wonders into their lives. Number 5. Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad Pink. Discover the magic of drawing with this amazing tracing pad. It's the perfect way to bring your imagination to life on paper. This set comes with everything you need to get started, including tracing sheets and colored pencils. You can even download more designs online. With its built-in LED lights, you can trace any image with ease, even in low light. It makes transferring designs simple and fun. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to take anywhere. The non-slip frame ensures a stable drawing surface for hours of creative play. This art kit is more than just fun, it's an educational tool. It introduces kids to different art styles like sketching and lettering. Looking for a unique gift? This tracing pad is ideal for birthdays or any occasion, sparking creativity in children aged 6 and up. What we like? If you're looking for a way to spark artistic creativity, this is a fantastic choice. It provides a well-lit canvas for tracing and learning various art styles. If you want a portable art studio for on-the-go fun, consider this. What people say. The product is very cute and interactive. My daughter loves how it responds to her touch and sounds. It's a great toy for imaginative play. Number 4. Purple Ladybug Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. With sparkly gems, colorful stickers, and fun accessories, you can easily create a unique statement piece. Just peel, stick, and decorate to make it yours. This all-inclusive kit provides everything for a magical crafting experience. You'll find a durable aluminum bottle, charming unicorn-themed decorations, gemstone and vinyl stickers, and a sparkly wristlet for easy carrying. Delight any unicorn fan with this unique and practical gift. It's a fun, creative present that's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give a gift you'll be proud of. Customize your bottle with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is designed for little hands, and the wide opening makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. It's rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards, making it ideal for home and school. What we like? For the unicorn-loving girl who enjoys hands-on crafts, this kit is perfect. It allows her to personalize a functional item with sparkly gems and stickers. If you need a gift that combines creativity with practicality, this is a great option. What people say. The Fingerlings are very interactive and respond to touch and sound. They have cute designs and come in various colors, making them appealing to children. The toys can be attached to fingers, allowing kids to carry them around easily. Number 3. IMPRESA Monkey Noodles Fidget Toys, 5-pack. Discover a world of vibrant, stretchy strings that spark imagination. Stretch and twirl these colorful fidget worms for endless fun and creative play. These soothing sensory noodles are designed to enhance focus and provide a calming experience. They offer an engaging way to maintain concentration and well-being. Perfect for classrooms, therapy, or road trips, these string toys can stretch up to an amazing 8 feet. Their compact design makes them ideal for travel. Made from kid-friendly, latex-free materials, these stretchy fidget strings ensure safe play for children aged 3 and up. They are durable and high quality. Seeking stress relief or better focus? These sensory noodles offer a delightful texture and vibrant colors. They are a wonderful addition to any play or work setting. What we like? If you need a tool to help with focus and calm, these stretchy noodles are ideal. They offer a satisfying sensory experience for kids and adults alike. If you're looking for a versatile fidget toy for classrooms or travel, this is a great pick. What people say. The Fingerlings are very interactive and respond to touch and sound. They have cute designs and come in various colors. The battery life is surprisingly good, lasting for hours of playtime. Number 2. Fingerlings Magic Moods Interactive Baby Unicorn, Mimi. Introducing the Fingerlings Magic Moods Interactive Baby Unicorn, Mimi. This adorable companion is packed with over 70 magical sounds and reactions, from giggles to singing. Nora, this cute baby unicorn, has special sparkle powers that can actually read your mood. Get ready for some magical fun. Want to know your fortune or guess your mood? Just ask a question or shake them, and their colorful heart will reveal a yes, no, maybe, or their current mood. They react to your touch. Feed them, kiss them, or pet them, and they'll respond. You can even shake them or flip them for more fun reactions. With pretty, brushable hair and soft fur, you'll love to pet them. Their posable tail also lets them sit anywhere you like. These interactive unicorns are the ultimate companions, perfect for taking everywhere you go. Collect them all and start the magic. What we like. If you're looking for a magical companion that offers interactive play, this unicorn is a great choice. It can tell fortunes and guess moods, providing endless fun. If you want a toy that reacts to your touch and offers over 70 sounds, consider this. What people say. The Fingerlings are very interactive and respond to touch and sound. They have cute designs and come in various colors, making them appealing to children. The interactive features, like blinking eyes and head turns, add to the fun. Number 1. Fingerlings 2023 Interactive Baby Monkey, Charli, Purple. Introducing the all-new Fingerlings Baby Monkey, Charli. She's full of personality and comes with over 70 unique sounds and reactions, from singing to laughing. When you place this little one on your finger, their heart beats and they greet you. They know it's you and react differently depending on whether they're on or off your finger. Off your finger, Charli is a playful prankster. But when she's on your finger, she becomes your sweet, giggly best friend. With sensors on their head, mouth, and belly, they respond to your touch. Feed them, kiss them, or pet them to see their fun reactions. You can even shake them or flip them upside down. These interactive friends now feature fuzzy fur on their head, making them even more huggable. Their posable tail allows them to hang or sit, making them a great desk or shelf companion. They are the ultimate companions and love to go everywhere with you. Their portable size makes them easy to take along on all your adventures. There are more adorable baby monkeys to collect. Each one comes with a baby monkey and an instruction sheet, perfect for ages 5 and up. What we like. If you want a playful and interactive friend that's always ready for fun, this baby monkey is perfect. It has a unique personality and reacts to your touch with over 70 sounds. If you're looking for a companion that loves to monkey around, this is the one. What people say. The Fingerlings are very interactive and respond to touch and sound. They come in a variety of colors and styles, making them a fun collectible item. The Fingerlings can be attached to your finger or other surfaces, allowing for creative play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.